Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the future value function. The future value function gives you the future value of a particular investment which has a consistent interest rate, and payments can be periodic consistent payments. So let's see how to calculate the future value. Let's write here future value here, and we have the year. Let's have 8 years, and we have the interest rate. The interest rate is 6%. We have the interest rate is 6%, and we do have the fixed payment or payment, fixed payment is $2,000. In the first column I have year. In the second column I do have the opening balances, and I do have the deposit that we are going to deposit to the bank or for the investment purpose, and I have the interest rate. And then lastly, in the last column we do have the closing balance. So in the year column we do have 8 years, year 1, year 2, and drag away the column. Opening balance, in the first year the opening balance would be 0. The deposit amount is this amount. This amount is $2,000. The interest is calculated as equal, open the bracket, opening balance plus deposit or fixed payment, close the bracket, this amount times to the interest rate. So this we need to use the dollar sign to apply the formula for all years. Apply dollar sign, and here to apply dollar sign and hit enter. So the interest rate in the first year we are going to pay we are going to receive 120 as interest from this deposit. The closing balance would be equal the sum of this plus this plus the interest rate, and hit enter would give us this amount. So the opening balance if in the second year would be the closing balance of the first year equal this amount. The deposit is fixed for all years. It means we need to drag down the formula. We need to drag down the formula to apply for up to the 8 years. So the interest rate is this amount if you use a formula. So, and the closing balance in the second year would be the same also. Same formula. So in the third year, opening balance equals closing balance of the second year let's drag down the formula to fill automatically up to the last year and the interest rate as well and the closing balance as well. So this is the amount that we are going to receive as investing $2,000 each year over 8 years. Microsoft Excel provides the future value function. So let's apply the future value functions, whether this amount would be the same amount or not. Equal to FV. In the FV rate, in the interest rate, NPER is number of periods, and PMT is the fixed payment, and we do have the present value, which is this one, 0 in the first year, and the type means whether the periodic payment would be at the beginning of the period or at the end of period. So let's apply the formula. The interest rate is 6%, comma, and the number of period is 8 years, comma, and the fixed payment or the payments is $2,000, comma, the present value is 0, the type is 1, close the bracket, enter, or hit the enter. So this amount is negative because this is positive in order to meet the credit side. So simply speaking, if this amount in the bank would be the negative signs, because the bank is going to pay out this amount as liability. And that's all. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. That's all. See you in the next episode.